Crochet mat, table mat. Crocheting a table mat is a lovely way to add a touch of handmade charm to your dining area. And here are how you can make a crochet table mat. You will need a crochet hook and yarn suitable for a table mat. Cotton yarn is a good choice due to its durability, and use a crochet hook that matches the yarn weight your chosen, and different size of your table mat and latest style ideas, but you can adjust it to fit your table. And mention me comment section for your feedback and response, and share this video for your family members and relatives. So feel free